Hi there, I want to look at making this car picture. It's not a massively high resolution picture of a car, but we've got a car sitting on a road and we've got some writings, and it looks like the writing's kind of positioned behind it. You can see it through the windscreen. It's not using anything we haven't done before, but it's doing things in a slightly different way with the tools we know. So we'll get back to the original picture. Let's get started. I want to duplicate the original layer of the car, and then I want to try and cut out the car. So I'm going to get the object selection tool on. I'm going to hit select subject and see how we get on with it, because it seems fairly contrasty from the background. That's not done too badly at this. Maybe you want to try and select a bit more of that window. So I'm just going to go on to the quick selection tool, and just using Alt and clicking, just get it so we've got a nice tidy selection around it. Maybe a little bit of that tire too. It's one of these we can mess around with indefinitely, but the truth is we only need really the parts around the windows of this one. I'll just turn my background off so you can see what I'm doing here. I want to select and inverse my selection, so I've got everything apart from the car selected. I'm just going to hit delete just so we've cut that out. Now when I turn my background on, it looks like we haven't done anything, which is fine. So select my background, and then I'm going to get the text tool or the type tool, TW send condense. Let's use that, and let's just do car. No, I can't see that. It's microscopic and it's behind everything. We're fine with that. We're fine with that. Oh, why is it not scaling up? I don't know. So I'm not happy with that. I'm going to try that again. It's done something weird on me. Let's make a new layer. Text tool. Let's just type car. This will work this time. I can feel it in my bone. It's still doing some weird things about it. But that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I just want it stood somewhere behind my car, like that. Off to a good start. Right, now I'm going to select my my background copy, which is the cutout car, and then I'm going to turn on a mask layer in white. Now I'm going to click on my black mask, and down here I'm going to put in a color code, which is 2020, I think. 2020, which is like a medium dark grey. I'm using a soft paintbrush. I'm just going to paint inside the windows. I'm just going to freehand it, to tell you the truth. And if we could select inside this area too, if we're feeling very precious about it. But you can see this kind of mid-dark grey just does a good job of cutting through the glass and making it look like the text is really behind it. Let's just move my text around a bit. Let's see if we can position this up. Well, we'll leave it at that. If we wanted to go further, we could think about how could we add some shadows to the text, but jobs for another time. Thank you for watching.